Section 5.3, problems 1 and 2. Here's number 1. What does the expected value of a binomial distribution with n trials tell you? Well, the expected value, that's the mean, and that's just the expected number, and the mean's an average. Let's see, what do we have? The average number of failures. No, we don't count number of failures typically. The average number of successes, that looks like a good one for me. It's not a standard deviation, so it's going to be the average number of successes. I think I'm going to go with this one right there. Part B tells us we've got a binomial distribution with 8 trials. I'm just going to write that down. N is 8. Look at the binomial probability distribution table. All right, now, I tried to put that in here, but it's just too big, and it becomes unreadable. So you have to go to the back of the book, look at the table showing binomial probabilities for values of p. All right, so you read it down, different values of p. For what p value is the distribution going to be symmetric? All right, now, p is the probability of success. So it's going to be symmetric. At what value of p? I'm going to claim that if you look at the table, that you will get 0.5, right? So if the probability of success is a half the time you'll get success, half the time you'll get failure. Now, what is the expected value? All right, that's this part right here. What's the expected value for this? Now, if we have the expected value of x is going to be n times p, so we have 8 times p, which is 0.5, so we're going to get a 0.4. Not 0.4, we're going to get what? 4 out of this. All right, so the expected value is 4. Now, does that make sense? The probability of success is a half. You do something 8 times, how many successes do you think you're going to have? Success should happen half the time. Half of 8 is 4. Seems reasonable. Is the distribution centered over this value? Yeah, because it's symmetric. For small values of p, is this skewed to the right or left? Now, skewing means this. If you have something like this, that's skewed to the right. If you have something like this, that's skewed to the left. So you look at those vertical bars. What are the vertical bars doing? So for small values of p, this distribution looks to me like it's skewed to the right. And for large values of p, it looks like it's skewed to the left.